I'm Brenda with CountryGirlGrit, and today this video is about how to replace a CO propane detector. This detector should have been replaced back in 2025, and so in this video the new one that is in will not be due to be replaced until 2030. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Living in a camper full-time teaches you something really fast. When this is your home, you either learn how to fix things yourself or you pay money that you probably really don't have to spare. So today I'm replacing the CO and propane gas alarm in my camper for the very first time. And honestly, I've never done this before. Thankfully, another camp host stepped in and walked me through the whole process, and together we got it done successfully. So if you're a solo woman out there living in a camper or an RV, traveling, camp hosting, or just want to survive on a tight budget, this video it's for you. So recently, my alarm, it started going off and it wouldn't stop, letting me know it needed attention. These alarms, they're kind of something that you absolutely do not want to ignore because they help protect you from propane leaks, carbon monoxide. And when you live in a small space, if it be a camper or RV space, safety matters. So normally you could take your camper, RV, somewhere, and pay someone to replace it. But I'm trying to live simple, save money, and learn new skills along the way. So today, I decided to tackle this myself with the help of another camp host and friend who walked me through the process. So Donald, thank you so much for teaching me all that you have. Honestly, at first glance, it looked intimidating because everything involving wiring and electricity, it really makes me nervous. But once I slowed down and had someone talk me through it step by step, it really wasn't as bad as what I thought. I think this is one of the biggest parts of this lifestyle people don't always see. There are so many moments when you feel unsure of yourself. YouTube videos, they can help, but sometimes you still stand there thinking, what if I mess something up? What if I do? But every time you learn one new skill, you gain a little bit more confidence. Thank y'all so much for watching and being part of this journey with Ranger and I. If this video has helped you, inspired you, or just entertained you a little, please hit like and subscribe to follow along with our adventures, our camper life, and the Appalachian Trail preparation. And if you've ever liked to support the channel and future videos, you could send a little love to CashApp at $CountryGirlGrit. Every bit truly helps more than you know. I appreciate y'all, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.